In this video, I'm going to walk through everything you need to know for grilling chicken thighs on a charcoal grill. Guys, these came out absolutely scrumptious and delicious. These chicken thighs were literally phenomenal. I am thrilled with the result here. You know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossy, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. So make sure you like and subscribe. Comment below how much you love chicken thighs. If you think this recipe is worthwhile trying, all that stuff. Let's start from the top. I mean, look at those chicken thighs. They look glorious. We're going to start with just a simple pack, and we're going to pull back the skin on each of these thighs. Just loosen them up. We're not fully removing the skin. We're just loosening it and pulling it back. I'm using Heavy Hands Hank Sweet Rub. This is absolutely delicious. This rub is just fantastic on pork and chicken. So I threw it onto these chicken thighs, liberally seasoning above and below the chicken skin, making sure to flip back over that skin once I've seasoned it and season the bottom of these chicken thighs as well. We really want these chicken thighs to be fully seasoned. That's super important here, guys. Make sure you're fully coating them. Next, I'm going to fire up the charcoal grill, specifically my Napoleon Charcoal Grill, because I love that cast iron grill grate. And I'm going to use a 2-zone cooking method. I got a bunch of charcoal directly underneath these chickens, skin side down, and we're just going to watch them. That flame is going to start kicking up because there's lots of fat inside of that skin. So once you're just monitoring them and you're seeing them get some good char on there, that's when we're just going to keep an eye on them and move them around. You want to kind of let them sit above the flame. I know I'm not giving you the best view right here, but you want to kind of like, that's what you're looking for right here, is that skin starting to crisp up and just get, cooked through. But it's really important you don't leave the skin sitting there in a flame for more than like 30 or 45 seconds. That can really overdo it. So again, you want to make sure you're moving these pieces of chicken around and just fully cooking that skin, because we're going to move it over onto indirect heat. As you can see here, I'm moving these chicken thighs, once the skin is good, over onto the other side of the grill. And that's just going to let them slowly come up to the right temperature, since we've already cooked through that skin and got it nice and crispy, okay? So as you can see here, we just set it over there on the side, away from the coals at this point, and you just close down that lid. We're going to let it rock, okay? So it's going to be up around 450 500 degrees. And it's just important that you're regularly checking these chicken thighs, making sure they're not getting overdone. If you have a meat thermometer, the target temperature we're aiming for today is 185, 190 internal. Now I know chicken is done at 165, but where these thighs are dark meat, they are prime for getting nice and overcooked, and they become just juicy, tender, and delicious. Holy cow, guys. It's important, though, that you don't overdo it because it can become dry. But again, dark meat on a chicken is extra juicy, so you can push it just a little bit further. That's why I like going close to 190 degrees. I know some guys that go as high as 204, and it's just so tender and delicious. It falls right off the bone if it's a drumstick. Holy cow. All right. So we hit about 165 internal, and now we're just in that final phase. That's when I tack on my favorite barbecue sauce. And this can be any sauce that you enjoy that goes well with chicken. It's really not that complicated, guys. Just make sure you layer it on in good, thin layers. When you glob on barbecue sauce, it can become like a tacky mess. I always suggest people go on with 1, 2, or even 3 layers of just delicious barbecue sauce, and that can make all the difference. The thinner the layers, the better, in my opinion, when you're still kind of baking it on. Anyway, all right, so we're going to let this sit for just a few minutes, and then we're going to pull it off, because guys, this was absolutely delicious. I mean, you saw these earlier. They're looking absolutely scrumptious now that they're fully cooked. And you can plate these up with a nice side salad, maybe some potato French fries, anything really. I mean, who doesn't love a delicious chicken thigh. I really like the idea of grilling the chicken skin at the very beginning. It gets that crispy skin that I really enjoy. I love chicken skin. I think it's one of the best things there is to eat. I know it's not the most healthy for you. It's definitely fatty, but my golly, is it ever flavorful. Anyway, these chicken thighs grilled on my Napoleon Charcoal Grill came out monumental. I'm really excited with how good these were. I mean, each and every other cook, I seem to be honing my skills a little bit better. And that's what's important. Just, knowing your craft, doing your best to cook your best food. That's what I love, guys. Good food, good eats, and I can show you how to do it yourself too. I mean, if you have a charcoal grill at home and you're nervous to cook chicken thighs, then this recipe walkthrough is all you got to try. It's really not that complex, guys. Patience is key with barbecue. Paying attention to your meats, making sure you're not overdoing it, and just monitoring stuff. It's that simple. And bud, just look at this. Doesn't that look absolutely delicious? My mouth is salivating while doing this voiceover. It's kind of difficult to continue talking, but I'll get this. Anyway, guys, really means a lot to me that you're still here watching my videos. Seriously, I thank you. And I can't thank you enough. Holy cow. I mean, every time I'm making these videos, I'm always just so pumped and excited to show you what I've been eating. And a nice little healthy rice bowl with these chicken thighs was the perfect little dinner to fill my belly. Man, oh man, this has been a blast. Thanks again for watching. It really means a lot. I hope you're having a great day. Make sure you take care, stay safe, and come back soon.